Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. Today we are going to see union of sets in Python. First, what is meant by union of sets? It will combine elements from both sets. In Python, we have ready-made method for that is union method. Returns a new set containing all elements from both sets. Means this union method is going to return us new set which will contain all elements from both sets. First, we will see set union theoretically. For example, I have two sets, S1 is there, and elements of S1 are 1, 2, 3, and S2 is there, and elements of S2 are 4, 3, 5. If I combine elements of both these sets, what will be the final result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. But see here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. But when there is union of sets, it removes any duplication of elements and it provides only single occurrence for those repeated elements. So here it will give only 3. So union of S1 and S2, union of S1 and S2, final result will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the final result we will get. Order may get changed because set is unordered data type in Python. We will see this practically. Now we will see union of sets. Here I have S1 set and its elements are 1, 2, 3, and S2 set is there and it contains 4, 3, 5. And if I do union of this, so how to do union of these sets? We have to use union method. How to use that? You have to take one set, that is S1 I have taken, and on this set you have to use that union method, that is union, and to this union method you have to pass other set, that is S2. And after this, what it is going to do, it is going to return us new set that we are going to catch in S out, that is set output we can say. Then we will see final result, it is S out, and if I run this, we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what happened here, 3 is getting repeated in both sets, but in final result we got only single 3 because set is a data type which doesn't allow duplicate elements. Because of that we got unique elements from both sets. We have passed single set. It is not like that you can pass only single set, you can pass multiple sets here. For example, I am taking here S3, one more set 11, 22, 33, these are the elements. S4 I am taking, I will take here 10, 20, 30. And if I pass these three sets here, S3, S4, so what will be the final result we will see. So this is our final set. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.